Hello, today I would like to talk to you about a couple of things, being one of them the extension, and the other one some ideas on how to use the Chrome browser that it comes by default installed on your Family Search Center computers. We are now more and more getting these computers installed with Chrome OS or Chrome Flex, as we call it. So let's talk about it for a moment. Let's begin by the extension. As you can see, I'm already inside the computer. I've started the session, and I have now I brought up the Chrome browser. And by default, we have given you an extension that is installed. It's a little app that is installed in your browser and will allow you, in this case us, to be recognized as being in a church building. Yes. Right now I'm, for example, in a church building, a meeting house, what do you call a chapel, that does not have a Family Search Center per se officially. But as you can see here, I am recognized as being in this meeting house near Madrid, and not so far from Madrid, about 50 kilometers where I am today. We're doing this recording for you, and I am now in this place. And virtually any church building that has the Wi-Fi coverage, as it is in the case of this meeting house, you log into the Wi-Fi, the Leona network. As you can see here, I'm connected to that network here. So and I have the extension installed in my computer, and virtually this is a center. This computer now that is in a meeting house is a computer that can be considered as a connected to the Family Search servers. So via this connection with this extension, a user that comes with his or her laptop can do the same and get access to those images that he or she cannot see at home, and that's why they come to our centers. Now, I want to emphasize that by the sheer fact that you are in a center, that does not mean that you have access to every single image. You have access to more images than if you were at home, but restrictions may still apply. Having said that, you may be wondering, okay, the patron comes to my meeting house, to my center. How do I help him or her install this extension? Very simple. Just go to the Google browser, or a Firefox if you were, but write FamilySearch Premium Extension as I did here before. For your convenience, you click there, and right there, one of the options, in this case is the second, is you go to the Chrome Web Store, as I will do now, and then you will get to this place where you have the extension and explanation of what this means. And then here you would have a blue button. In my case, it's already installed, so it's gray. You click there on install, and the extension will be installed in your computer in less than a few seconds, and you will be good to go. There, nothing else. Now, you may be wondering, what is a premium content extension? I'll explain that a little bit later. Now, the second thing that I would like to talk to you about is this. We have provided in the browsers that are installed in the computers that are provided by the Family History Department and have this installation, we have provided this browser with bookmarks already set up for you, for your convenience. Yes, one of them, for example, the email portal. You don't have to remember the address. You just go to the bookmark, click on the email portal, you go here, and you can go there. We've also provided you the quick access, a bookmark for the Family Search site, and even to the Family Search center portal. Yes, there is a center portal that many people are not aware of, and this is where you can find these premium resources and even some tools, the learning center, the blog, everything that we put here to help you have easy access to all these resources. So this is what we have called the Family Search Center portal. Moreover, we have the premium websites, which are already here in the Family Search Center portal. But let's go to the premium websites. The premium websites, the concept is when a person comes to a center, a patron can have access to these sites without having to pay, for free. So let's say that I want to go to Ancestry. I can go to Ancestry and I don't have to pay. I don't have to set up an account. I can go to Find My Past. I don't have to set up an account. I'm going to show you. I'm going to click here on Visit Site, and I'll be taken to that site. And sorry, this sometimes pops up. We say accept there, and there you are. Welcome to Family Search Library. You don't have to have an account, and for free you can conduct searches on the Find My Past site, and you can even go to My Heritage and do exactly the same thing for free. And many of us are not aware of these resources that any patron visiting one of our family search centers, or as I am in this case in a meeting house, have access to that. Oh, by the way, during the recording, as you can see, that something happened to the connection, and I'm not, but well, it came back. That sometimes happens, but there are some variations. But these are tips that we are sharing with you for your convenience, and we hope that you enjoyed this, and that we invite you to share this knowledge with others and be aware of all these resources. Enjoy.